Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So this is the front camera of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Instead of going outside where we know it's going to look really good in the sunlight and everything, I decided to just come up to the office. I just have a studio light on. I got a fan going. So microphones on the Galaxy S9 have proven to be just as good as the Galaxy Note 8 in recording, because I've actually been using the Galaxy S9 Plus to do a few videos, and if the videos, pretty much a lot of the videos that are not about the S9, I think I did a lot of them with the S9, just to kind of get a feel for it. So if you notice, there's probably been a few more videos up in 4K at 60 FPS, or 4K period. That's the Galaxy S9 Plus' rear camera. But the front camera, though, it is definitely something that is a little bit better than the Galaxy Note 8's front camera. I think this quality is actually fantastic. And I think Samsung has done right by their customers with great cameras. The overall experience of the phone has actually been pretty good. So just wanted to do a real brief video on the front camera, testing the audio, testing it kind of a low light situation with just one studio light going, and to see what you guys thought. So I think that, after I look at this, like you guys, I think the video is going to be great from what I can tell in the viewfinder. I think it's looking really good. Look for details in like my beard and stuff like that. Check out stuff like that, because I haven't shaved yet, so my gray is growing in. Check out how it's handling that. The color of my shirt appears to be very accurate. So it just looks like this footage is going to be really, really solid. So do you have the Galaxy S9 Plus yet, or the S9? What do you guys think about the camera? Personally, so far, I think these are the best cameras that I have in my catalog, and I think they're going to outshine a lot of phones. Really, I think they are. So it's your man Jay Will, front camera sample from the Galaxy S9 Plus. What do you guys think? I'll see you in the next video. Take care.